Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, December 17, and the time is around 4:45 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the Nikkei. Right here we got this 1 hour chart. We can see this pullback to 27898 has ended with 4 in blue degree, and then since then we are in the wave 5 now in the blue, and the wave 5 in the blue subdivides into another 5 waves in which we are ending or soon to be ending with 105, right? With 105 is going to be ending soon. Then after that we should be correcting the entire rally here, which is in the 5 waves, 1 2 3 4 5. We should be correcting the previous pullback before another leg higher again. So the right side remains higher and green. That means we do not like selling, okay, in the indices. All right, even though it can pull back, but we do not like selling it. And if it is pulling back, then we still do like the opportunity to buy the dips with the green stem here in 3711 swing for the upside as far as we stay above 22,898. Now, looking at the larger degree now, in the 4 hour, we can see the rally from August 25th, 2019, okay, is also itself in a 5 waves, right? So we were looking at the 1 hour chart earlier, which is starting from here. Okay, we are starting from here in the 1 hour chart, but in the 4 hour chart, we get a bigger picture, and we can take a look at it from August 25th. And then the rally from August 25th is also itself a 5 waves. So this is the wave 4 that we saw here, which is this one. This is in the form of a flat, and then now we should be looking for the upside. Now again, what can be the alternate? Well, the alternate suggests that since we can already count a 5 ways up, that this one can be ending with 5 instead of with 105. That could be the entire wave 5. Now if that's the case, then okay, in the case of the alternate, then that means we end the cycle and then we're going to be correcting a larger degree from August 25th. All right, so right now, as far as we stay above this trend line here, we should be looking for the upside still in the case of the Nikkei, and if it breaks below the trend line, close below it, then this cycle can be finished. Now if that's the case, then we can do a bigger pullback. All right, but typically when you cut a 5 ways here, one way to measure the potential target to in the wave 5 is equal to the wave 1. Okay, so if you do it this way, you measure wave 1 and then project it from the wave 4, you can see that you have a potential target to as high as 25,148 in the Nikkei. All right, so again, the bias momentum still remains higher, and we do like more upside. And as far as we stay above this trend line, as far as the pullback stays above wave 4 in blue, we should be pushing it to the upside, and we should continue to see more upside in the Nikkei. All right, so the next potential target with 5 equal with 1 is going to be somewhere around 25,170. Okay, so that's the idea in the Nikkei. If you do like our video analysis, please do like and subscribe. And also, we currently run a 30% promotion for the end of the year sale. I will provide the link in the description of the video below here. And also, we have 14 days free trial as well and the link also is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day to you all.